What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we are continuing the Tenere 700 build series with an overview of the Hepco Becker Centerstand. Paddock stands are one of those modifications that just makes sense, and this Hepco Becker Centerstand is a fantastic addition to any motorcycle, but specifically this Tenere 700 here. Now, this center stand is made of very high quality German steel tubing that is extremely nicely welded together. The welds are absolutely gorgeous, and then it's powder coated black for a really nice finish that won't degrade over time. It's going to come with everything necessary for installation and doesn't require any modification to install the center stand either, which is huge. Now, we do recommend a spring puller when you're going to install this though, and we do sell them, and I'll include that in a link in the description down below, as well as a link to buy the center stand. So why would you choose a center stand? Well, for starters, they just are extremely practical. They're great for storing your bike over winter if you're the kind of person who does that, or you live in a climate where you can't really ride 365 days a year. They're absolutely fantastic, and you don't need to mess around with paddock stands or spools because the center stand is always on the motorcycle. Throw it up on the center stand and you're good to go. The rear wheel is allowed to spin freely and the front is barely loaded. This means you're not going to develop any flat spots while it's sitting in the garage like it would have if it was on its side stand. Another reason why center stands are absolutely fantastic additions is for maintenance. Again, you don't have to mess around with paddock stands or spools. That means you can throw it up on the center stand, lube the chain, remove the rear wheel. It's all right there, and you don't need to bust out anything extra besides your tools to help you maintain your motorcycle. They're also great for packing and fueling and a variety of other reasons. If you ever packed luggage on a motorcycle on its side stand, well, it's not the end of the world. It's not as nice as if the bike was perfectly upright like it is now. Same with fueling. You don't have to worry about balancing the bike, holding the rear brake, trying to do a million different things at once. Just throw it up on the center stand. It's good to go. These are very minute points, but they just add to the fact that the center stand is so versatile. Why not have it on your motorcycle? Now that we've kind of talked about why you need a center stand, let's show you how to install it and show you some B-roll as well, so stay tuned for that. Well, that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness, and hit that bell notification too so you never miss an episode. Ride safe.